it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm back in my creative journal and I'm going to be doing a June setup. So excited. I can't believe how fast time is going. And I'm going to be using this washi. I'm pretty sure I got this from Journal Say. I love it. Then the Mojo JOJOPlans Rainbow Shapes. I may use this. I'm definitely going to be using the sticker journaling kit. It's the Faith one, but I love the colors of these stickers here. And then I'm going to be using the Summer Allure by Live Love POSH. All right, so let's get started. In case you missed it, this is what I did last week. So what I want to do, I'm thinking I want to, I'm going to put my florals in first because I just love doing that. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm going to do these little out of the Summer Allure. I think these are so pretty. So I'm going to take these and I'll definitely be using my scissors. And I'll link everything that I can find in the description box below. And I also have affiliate links to Journal Say, Doodle Diaries, and the Washi Tape Shop. And some of those links contain coupon codes which could save you some money. So if you're going to shop anywhere from those stores, I would appreciate it if you'd use my links, okay? So what I'm going to do is just put this. I think I'm going to put it right in the middle. Try to get it in the middle as best I can. All right, let's see. Kind of hard to see this. Okay. I'm probably going to just have to peel it up and bring it back down because it is really hard for me to see this. Okay. That's better. And how is this? Let's peel this up for a minute. Could get it tighter in that center. Now, as you saw yesterday, I'm going to be starting a reading journal. Cannot wait to show you the books I have been reading. They are awesome. I don't know. I'm still waiting on a stamp to come in, so I don't know if the first reading journal will come up this Friday or it'll be the next Friday, okay? Then here on these corners, I think what I want to put would be these right here. June is just, you know, it's when summer starts. I mean, it hasn't started yet, but I think it's like the 20-something, 20th, 21st, something like that. 22nd. So I love the warmth and the florals and just everything. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and put this right like that. I got a little bit behind on my journaling, so... but that's okay. All right, look how pretty that looks. I'm going to keep this on the side of my desk. And then I'm going to go over here and get its little mate right here. Peel it up. But I really am enjoying reading. And I found this author that I'm just totally obsessed with. But I'll tell you more about all that when we get to the reading journal. But I don't think you're going to want to miss it, all right? So then right here, I think I will put, I'm going to put this right like that. Always use these to fill in little places that you feel like you need to. And like I said, you can either use a corner rounder or you can use your scissors. I think I'm going to start using my corner rounder. I think I like it better. Love it, okay? That is super cute for summer, okay? All right, so we have that done. I don't know if I'm coming down any further or not. Now I want to get in to these Mojo JOJOPlans rainbow shapes. And I think these just scream summer. I love them, okay? So, let's see, what colors do I want to use? Definitely want to use the yellow, the purple, the orange. Might bring in that red, or I could bring in the green. Okay, so I'm going to take this, and I'm going to use these. Well, let me do this first. I'm going to get in this journaling kit. Let me move my book out of the way for a minute. This is so pretty. It's the Floral Faith, but it has so many beautiful elements to it. I got this for my scripture journal, but oh, it's gorgeous, okay? But I saw these and I was like, oh yes. So I want to put June in here. So I'm going to keep this book kind of close. I think I'm going to take this J, get my tweezers. All right, I'm going to take this J. Now, the question is, do I want to put it inside of its color, or do I want to kind of mix it up? I kind of like it like this. Oh, but then that would be, I don't know. I'm going to go for the colors. I'm going to put this one right here. All right, I've got June in that, J in that, okay? Then I'm going to put you. What do I want to put you in? What color? It has the pink for sure. Let's see, you. I like it in the purple. Then the N and the E. The N, I think I'm going to take this sort of, almost like a, between a pea green and a lime green. J-U. And what does E come in? E can be, E doesn't really have a purple. E has, but it does have that color. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. Like that. And then we just have to do E. And I'm going to take this. It's kind of like a pinky color, but it's not the same as the others. J-U-N. Now, do I want this in the middle? I don't think red would really go. I'm going to put it in the green. Could put it in the blue, but I like it in the green, I think. All right. There that is. Now, what I want to do is get my book back out and then put, okay, surely I can do this. I'm going to go, just going to barely place them, except it's stuck to my thing. J. You definitely could put this on top of a ruler if you want. Do I want to put that in the middle, right like that? I could go up and down. That's always fun. Then we'll put, I think I gotta scoot these over. Yeah, I do. Okay, you're going here. Then we'll put you down here, and I won't put you in the middle. Then I'll put you right here, I think. And then we'll put our E. All right, let's look. J, U. The N is a little crooked. N, E. That is so fun. That's exactly what I wanted for June. Just fun and full of, I don't know, playfulness. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to get in my Live, Love, Posh sticker book, and I thought these would be perfect. Okay, and I'm going to put, let's see, let's get this. Let's get this right here. The little VW van with the surfboards and all that deliciousness. Put this down. Love that. This is what I love about June. Going to the beach, watching the guys surf, the ones that are out there. They don't have a lot because our waves aren't really that big. Okay, I love that. All right. Then to anchor this side, I'm going in. It's going to be such a cute creative journal. All right. I'm going to go in right there. Cut this off, but I will save this. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'll save that with my other little pieces. All right, and then I'm gonna put Live, Love, Surf. I'll put that right there. And hope they have another little quote. Probably don't. That's all right. That is okay. You always have to take your coolers or backpacks, whatever you use when you go to the beach with all your goodies. Love that. And it's crooked. Ugh. All right. That is so cute. All right. Then I'm going to put this little floaty. I think it's so adorable. Put it maybe right about here. All right, and then what else? There's tons of stuff to put. This little drink. Totally adorable. Okay, and then it's always fun, I think, to take a book to the beach. Put that right there. That's coming along really cute. And do I want to put anything else? Let me see if I have any other quotes. This is black. I wish I'd had more of the color. Let me just look and see if there's anything else I want to add. I wish I had another quote, but I don't. That's colorful. I kind of feel like I need something else, But then I'm kind of like, well, I don't know. Live, Love, Surfs over the surfboards. Let's take a look at it. All right, here is my monthly setup for June in my creative journal. I love it. It is so colorful, so fun, and encompasses everything we do down here in Florida, the surfing, the floaties, you know, just everything. I love it. I hope you got some good ideas from this video on how to set up your monthly spread in your creative journal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.